Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of smartphones with a look at the stunning Oppo Find X7 Ultra. If you're into sleek designs, powerhouse performance, and groundbreaking technology, this is the video for you. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra is a masterpiece in terms of aesthetics. With its ultra-slim profile and premium materials, it feels just as good as it looks. The seamless blend of glass and metal gives it a sophisticated and modern appeal that's hard to beat. But it's not just about looks. This phone is built to perform. Under the hood, the Find X7 Ultra packs a punch with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this phone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. And let's not forget about the display. The Find X7 Ultra boasts a gorgeous 6.8-inch QHD plus AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the smoothness is next level. It's perfect for watching videos, editing photos, or just scrolling through your social media feed. Now, for all the photographers and videographers out there, the camera system on this phone is going to blow your mind. The Find X7 Ultra features a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP telephoto lens. The results? Absolutely stunning. Whether you're shooting in low light, capturing a wide landscape, or zooming in on distant subjects, the Find X7 Ultra delivers crisp, clear, and vibrant images every time. Plus, with advanced AI features, you get the perfect shot with minimal effort. Battery life is another area where the Find X7 Ultra excels. With a 5,000 mAh battery and Oppo's SuperBook fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. No more waiting around for your phone to charge. And speaking of speed, the Find X7 Ultra also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you're always connected at lightning-fast speeds, whether you're browsing, streaming, or gaming on the go. So, what's the verdict? The Oppo Find X7 Ultra is a powerhouse that combines beautiful design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their smartphone experience. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. See you in the next one.